Hi, my name is Yael Cannon. I'm a practitioner in residence with the Disability Rights Law Clinic. The Disability Rights Law Clinic is a two-semester clinic in which the students represent clients who have both physical and or mental disabilities or their family members in a variety of different types of cases related to disability law. Our clinic really specializes in representing individuals who are assumed not to have capacity or their true potential just on the basis of their disability. The students in our clinic really have the opportunity to take on all of the different facets of representation and really drive the representation, serve as the lawyers in their cases, and get a lot of experience both in pre-litigation skills and litigation skills, which we explore both through their casework and in our weekly 3-hour seminar. So examples of some of the skills that students get to develop through our seminar and our supervision session include such pre-litigation skills as interviewing, counseling, development of case theory, and negotiation. And then in terms of the litigation skills, we cover openings and closings, directs and cross, using exhibits, working with expert witnesses, all different facets of trial advocacy, and also explore mediation as another road for dispute resolution. The Disability Rights Law Clinic represents clients in a wide variety of matters related to disability and on behalf of people with disabilities. It's really a true public interest and civil rights practice that our students have an opportunity to participate in. So to give you some examples of some of the incredible work that our students have done recently, our students represent individuals and their children in a variety of special education matters. The District of Columbia historically has a very challenged special education and broader public school system, and our law students really have an opportunity to make a difference in the lives of kids with disabilities by securing appropriate special education services for those kids. Just this year, a student team helped a 5-year-old boy with an autism spectrum disorder to secure the evaluations he needed to explore what his educational needs were, and helped him to obtain appropriate special education services in an individualized education program or IEP, and have helped his parents really navigate the special ed system so that he can become a child and then later an adult who really thrives with the education that he needs to be a functional and happy and stable child and adult. Our clinic students also represent adults with intellectual disabilities in matters before DC Superior Court's Mental Health and Habilitation Branch. Our clinic gets appointed to serve either as guardian ad litem or counsel for an individual in those cases, and so students who take on those cases get a wonderful opportunity to appear in DC Superior Court in those matters, to work directly with their clients who have intellectual disabilities to make sure that the services that they're receiving in their residential and day program environments are appropriate, to advocate regarding questions around the involuntary commitment or involuntary admission of those individuals to the Department on Disability Services in DC for their treatment. We also take on a variety of cases arising under the various titles of the Americans with Disabilities Act related to ensuring that individuals with disabilities aren't discriminated in such things as public accommodations, housing, and employment. A student team of ours recently advocated on behalf of an individual with intellectual disabilities who was wrongfully terminated from his job on the basis of disability, and had the incredible opportunity to argue a summary judgment motion before the Federal District Court in Maryland on that matter, and took the full lead in that argument and in the discovery process and the motions process in that case, and really got the experience of federal court litigation and also working closely with our client with a disability.